Hello crafty friends, this is Julia. Thank you so much for joining me today. This time I want to share with you what I picked up from my latest order from Moni's Bastelkiste. And I'm so excited because this magical box contains what I picked up from the new Lawn Fawn release. Unfortunately, it was a little bit delayed because Moni did like lightning fast shipping. It shipped same day as the release. It was so quick, and I was super excited because I knew I could use it by the weekend. And then DHL decided, you know what? No, we're just not gonna do it. And it was stuck in one of the sorting centers since Friday. And it only moved today and finally arrived. Nobody could tell me what was the problem, but I'm just glad it wasn't lost and that I could get it. So without further ado, let's check out what I picked up. Little disclaimer, I already opened the box because, you know, impatient. But I packed it up as best I could. First up, we have the gorgeous new little pouch. I think it's just so cute. And I know it fits like a stamp set and markers and whatever. I don't really use them that way because I never really craft on the go. Well, I don't really go anywhere where I could craft, so but I love using these as like handbag organizers or in my car. I have several of these that just organize all the little things, so it's a little bit neater. So this was the first item. Then I picked up the Picket Fence Life-Changing Blender brushes, and the blender brushes I'm using, they work fine, but yeah, they're starting to wear a little bit thin. I picked them up really cheap on Amazon a while ago, and I figured it was time to get some nicer brushes, so I'm super excited to have a go with these and see how these work. This is the full set of the brushes, and I'm just super excited to try these out. This set also comes with this beautiful floral stencil, so we're gonna try that out as well. Then I picked up another product that I was super excited about, which was the Simon Hurley stamping foam. And this one is actually super unique product because you heat it up with your embossing fan and then you press it into any like textured surface and it just sticks to the pattern, and then you can stamp the pattern in any color of ink you want. And then you just clean it, heat it up again, and it's like new, and you can just press it into another pattern. So I'm super excited to use this one. I really need it. Once I saw it, I just had to have it. So I'm glad to give that a shot. And as you can see, the rest of the box is Lawn Fawn colored. I'm just gonna pick out the whole pack. And let's start with the papers. So I picked up the Let It Shine Starry Skies Petite paper in 6x6. This is the one with the beautiful like foiled stars on it. I got one of these. And then, well, the best description I have for it is that escalated quickly. Because, well, I have 4 of the Nitpicky Winter. I'm just gonna put away in the box real quick. I usually do little like gifts for, we call it Nicholas. It's December 6th for my colleagues at work. And I wanted to do like little gift boxes. And I love this paper, this like sweater pattern. I don't know, this like knit sweater pattern. And yeah. I needed a lot of boxes, so I need a lot of paper. Since Lawn Fawn does discontinue paper regularly, I just figured I might as well stock up. You know, better safe than sorry. And yeah, then I got a whole bunch of stamps and dies, so I'm gonna go over those. I first got the Simply Celebrate Fall. I just love those little ghosties, which are the main reason why I got this. Because this pair, like one pair of ghosts above like a haunted house would be so cute. And then also like the little pumpkin patch would be so fun. And the others, I'm not really sure how I would use these, but you know, it's nice to have. but these I just love. Then, of course, the set I had to have, it's the Absolutely Awesome, because, I mean, it has mice, so I had to have it. I also love this big, beautiful tree, because I think it's just so nice on a scene for like spring or autumn. Just so lovely, and I just love this little guy munching on an apple, and you can just stand next to it like the crunch. And yeah, I love this one. Can't wait to use it. Then, of course, I had to get the little bats from Fantastic Friends and Fantastic Friends add-on. Apart from the mice that are coming up in the winter part of my little haul, this has to be my like second favorite. I just love those cute little bats. They're so adorable, and these, oh my god, with like a little, he actually looks like he would say like ta-da! It's so adorable. Even the spider looks cute, and I hate spiders, but these are adorable. And yeah, hang in there, have a fantastic day. Just so cute. I can't wait to use this one. And then we're already looking at winter and Christmas stamps. Just gonna move those things around just a tiny bit so that there's not such a horrible glare. Maybe I just put that there. Yeah, that works. Bright lights over here. I then picked out the mini set, this No One Like You, and I just love this little bunny with a bear. It would be so adorable on like a slider card or something. Then I also picked up the Say What holiday critters, and oh my god, I love these little critters with the like ugly Christmas sweaters. And I really like these speech bubbles, because with the sentiments you can use them on any like scene card with just like in place of a sentiment, and awesome. Really like this one. And then I also, for the same reason, got the Ugly and Bright. First of all, I love this cute little bear. Isn't he adorable? With like his arms kind of tucked in. It's just so cute. And I love all the little sentiments you can fit in the like more squished speech bubble. And I'm pretty sure we can find some other critters that we can stick in some ugly Christmas sweaters. It's on the to-do list. Then I had to have this one. It's Beachy Christmas, and a friend of mine actually lives in Australia, so for her Christmas is, yeah, really hot and like mid-summer, super hot, like over 30 Celsius. My god, I can't talk. Sorry, 30 degrees Celsius. That's what it is. And I just love this little palm tree with the light string around it, and of course Santa in the Hawaiian shirt with some shorts. I think it's just so adorable, and I have to make a card with her, for her with that. And of course the pineapple wrapped as a gift. Just awesome. Also reminds me, do you know remember the show Psych? Where they had like pineapples everywhere, and he would show up as like with a gift, with a wrapped pineapple. I think it was so funny. And then my favorite, of course, with the mice, the snowball fight. I just love this one. This is just so cute, and I love the mice that are like in motion, because you can use them on interactive cards and it really looks like they're like running or throwing things, and it's just so cute. And of course the snow mouse, which is just adorable, and this little guy just ducking because he doesn't want to get hit with a snowball. I cannot wait to use this. And then of course I also had to pick up a few dies. I love the platform pop-up die, so I had to get the add-ons. I got the Hillside Wraparound. This basically covers up the scalloped edge on the platform, and it replaces it with some like rolling hills, which I think is just so pretty. And just like the original platform outside, it comes with these stitched panels for some added decoration. And I also picked up the Hillside inserts. The platform comes with like just a rounded hill and the grass, and this just gives you more options. Of course, you can just as easily cut it by hand, but you know, this is way more convenient. Then I'm a big fan of the giant word dies, and especially the ones that have like the scripty part of the word. So I picked up the Giant Trick or Treat, as well as the Giant Happy Fall, and I especially love this one. It's a beautiful font. And then I also got the new Giant Outline. Oh, what fun. I mean, they're all new, but this is like a new style of die with the like outline. They also had one with Merry and Bright, but that one wasn't really my cup of tea because it was just too full. This one leaves you a lot of room where you can still add some cute colored images. So I'm really, really excited to give that one a go. And then, of course, since I love, love, love interactive dies, just like the platform, I had to get the Peekaboo Pop-Up. I love that it has the rounded corners. I actually used this style of die before from Mama Elephant with the Wiper Surprise, I think it was called. But I love that this one has like the stitching detail on the rounded corners, just so pretty. And I'm really excited to use the rounded rectangle as well, not just with the platform, but just in general on cards. And of course, little cloud dies and stuff is always useful. And then I picked up the 3 like big stencils. I got the Snow Flurries background stencil, and this is like true to its name. It really looks like beautiful snowfall. It's similar to the Starry Sky stencil, but the stars in the Starry Sky stencil and everything is just a little bit bigger. This is just like finer detail, and it really looks like a flurry of snow. It's so pretty. Then I got the Birch Tree stencils, which is a duo of stencils. And you get both the positive and the negative for the trees, so you can ink blend the entire background using these. I'm not sure if this will need some pixie spray in the back to like hold everything in place, but I'll definitely give it a go soon. And then last but not least, I got the Nighttime Sky stencil with like the beautiful big moon, the moon craters, as well as some clouds and some sparkles. And I love this shape of cloud. It's very unusual and like unique in the style, and I can't wait to use it. As you can tell, I can't wait to use all of it. And luckily I still have some time off, so I can't wait to start playing with this. I will be back with a new card making video on Friday using one of these products. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to use first, but you'll see on Friday, so stop by if you would like to see. I can't wait to show you. And in the comments down below, I would love to hear what you picked up from this release. I am obsessed with everything, and I would love to know what your favorites are, what you picked up, or what you plan to pick up. And yeah, I hope I'll see you Friday. Until then, have an amazing day. Bye!